siguro pang-apat na yung sarili ko, para din makuha ko din yung mga pangarap ko rin sa buhay.
Marami pa. Bata ka pa. 26 na ba?
26 ko. Kaka-26 ko na November 4.
Diling ka dati.
Thank you po.
Hello, I'm
Hello.
Edson from Chicat ka na. Yung tanong ko, James, na-predict mo ba yung award na #1 seller? And reaction lang.
Actually, hindi ko siya predict. Kasi I was not really able to really see other nangyayari. Kasi sobrang busy po talaga. So I really just focus sa ginagawa ko. And then, yun, hindi ko rin din po ako na.
Congrats din. Paano nabago yung buhay mo at lifestyle mo? Yung
Okay.
pagla-live selling?
So before, pag pupunta ako, for example, pupunta ako Divisoria 3 days ago. Pupunta ako Divisoria para maghanap ng produkto. May pupunta tayo Divisoria para maghanap ng bibigyan ng regalo. Iba na yung purpose. Mas naging maingat din, of course, kasi makulit po talaga ako sa tao. So, medyo kailangan discipline kasi pag nasa labas. Pero I can say naman, yung mga followers ko naman, mabait naman sila. So, hindi naman ako parang artist na parang pag nasa labas, ganun. Pag nasa labas, oh, Boy James, ito. Parang tuturopa lang kami lahat. Parang magkakapit-pakay lang kami sa mga followers. So,
Natatandaan mo ba yung una mo na benta?
pinakauna ko na benta, doing live, nagbenta ako ng wipes. Wipes. Shoe wipes. Balinis na yung sapatos. Yun po yung pinakauna.
Then, yung unang sahod mo, kumusta yung commission?
Doon ko muna feel na sabi ko, mas okay kong gawin yung affiliate marketing kasi wala akong nilalabas sa punan. And then wala akong iniisip magbalot. Kasi pagka-order, pagka-live mo sa sarili mo, papaloadin mo yun. 24/7. So, unlike pag nilive mo itong mga product na to, pero bukasan, yung warehouse na po nila yung mga lahat. So, mas scalable mo talaga. Ako, benta na ako ng benta. So, nangyayari po kasi dati pag nag-live ako, pag sobrang dami ng orders, di ako nakakapag-live kinabukasan. Kasi nalilimit na talaga ako. Or wala akong stocks, or wala na akong pera. Kasi pag ship mo yung products, iikot pa yan eh. Usually, 2 to 3 weeks yung bago bumalik sa'yo. So, nalilimit ka. Unlike pag nagbibenta ka nito, kahit araw-arawin mo actually, pero hindi ko kaya.
Good luck later.
Thank you po, salamat.
Paano mo i-describe yung lifestyle mo?
Ngayon, magiging sobrang saya siya. Sobrang saya. Meron kaming tagline dito, paunahan, pagalingan, pabilisan. So, sigurado ko kung sobrang yung mga products, kung sobrang mura talaga. And again, may mananalo ng apat na motor, brand new. And dalawang price din, pinagawa ko pa yan. Kasi wala naman talaga yung ganyan. So, pinapost ko yung pinadeliver ko na dito ng studio. And then, kahit wala silang plano bumili, bibili sila. Kasi sobrang mura ko talaga. Tapos mga pang-regalo, holiday season, marami silang makukuha sa live natin ng mura. So, tapos hassle-free, sobrang traffic sa labas. Hindi nila kailangan lumabas, i-deliver na lang mo sa bahay nila, cash on delivery pa. I-SPay later pa kasi installment kailangan.
5 years from now, paano mo natin pag-evolve ng price?
5 years from now, siguro kasama ko na Mali mo, we are collaborating with other international artists. Kasi ganun po nangyayari sa ibang bansa eh. Friends work ako sa China. Like, ibig sila LeBron James, kasama sila. Dwayne, kasama sila. So, mali mo po ganun. Mag-open ko ng mas bigger entertainment opportunity. Kasi hindi lang naman po ito benta-benta. Actually, it's also actually entertainment. Kasi po talaga manood ng live. Para ka na nagpa-party, nag-enjoy, nagtatawa na lang kami ito with music. So, 5 years from now, ayaw, baka sa Pilipinas rin na tayo mag-live.
Last na lang po, ano po yung message niyo sa mga musician?
Bilisan ninyo guys, kasi be on time kayo 8 p.m. dapat, 12, 11, 8 p.m. And 12 p.m. tanghaling dapat on time kayo. Kasi limited na din po talaga yung stocks. Although marami tayong stocks, pero we are predicting 2 million to 3 million individual viewers. So, yung mga stocks natin, isipin mo kung maghahati-hati yung 2 to 3 million, medyo mauubos po talaga siya. So, we are predicting for the first 1 to 2 hours, marami nang sold out the product. So, bilisan nila, magplanuhan nila maigi kung ano yung bibili nila para pagdating sa live, diretso check out na talaga sila.
Hello, question lang. Gano'n katagal yung live stream?
Okay, so for tonight's live, for December 11, it's gonna be 8 p.m. to 1 a.m. Sa lubong po ng Dolgol. Okay, parang New Year, no? So, tapos tomorrow naman po, 12-12 mismo, tanghaling tapat, di ba? 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. to 6 hours. So tonight is 5 hours, tomorrow is 6 hours.
Ikaw lahat sa 5 hours.
Ako po lahat.
Wow. Okay. May mangyayari ba sa pagsalubong sa 12 midnight? May special something?
So, usually po kinaugalian na po talaga ng Pilipino na pag double digit, doon nila check out, piniplace mo. Ina-add to cart muna nila yun, like from gabi, tapos i-check out nila yan on the 12 midnight para ma-sure nila na they can get the lowest price kasi doon na po yung vouchers magbabagsakan lahat.
So mag-change po yung price from 11 p.m. Iba yung price of all.
Minsan yung mga platforms nanggugulat sila eh. So I really suggest na tumutok talaga sila kasi maraming nangyayari na like minsan may mga presyo na wala dito sa price list ko, minsan bumaba pa na sobra eh, hindi ko rin maintindihan. So yun yung actually exciting part ng buying online. A lot of things can happen. Minsan may surprise din sa amin yung platform. So kaya parang kami excited din para sa kanila.
They were briefed kasi it's not just live stream. May entertain factor siya. So yung mga tao ba kayo matatambay lang, maghahanap pa ng video?
So actually, so for the day, it's me and we call her Ate Rebecca. Nandito siya. Siya yung co-host natin today. So, pag nagbanggaan din kami kasi din script, sobrang nakakatawa talaga siya. Yun yung naging entertainment part. Kung paano namin naiisipan ng skip yung isang produkto. Tapos kinabukasan marami tayong mga guests. So, may mga ibang mga content creators na sila yung posted na tawag na parang binibenta nila ako. For example, tatanong ko, magkano ba yung ketchup mo? Mahal naman, bababa naman yung presyo, mga something like that. Tapos nandun si Jasper Dioson. So, isang sikat na host din po siya. So, yun, I'm also like excited kasi I have never been into a live na ganun karami yung host. But this 12 talaga in-audit talaga namin.
So kay Manter, hindi na talaga benta.
Hindi, medyo, minsan hindi mo mararamdaman, naka-check out ka na. Kasi talagang nakakatawa talaga.
Last question. Ano yung SPA later? Sino eligible? Mga products?
So every product is eligible for SPay Later. SPay Later stands for itself, pay later. So they can pay the product 3 months 0% interest, 6 months 0% interest. The maximum we can do is 24 months depending on the brand and the product arrangement itself. We also have partnership with multiple like credit cards, pwede rin po yun 0% installment in up to 24 months. But sino yung eligible? Usually mga frequent buyers. So if wala pa silang SPay, I really recommend na magdan-checkout na sila, magdan-checkout para magkaroon sila ng SPay later.
So may offer sa SPA later sa Shopee account mo na pwede mo?
Lalabas na lang po yun doon. Yes. Automatic siya kung ano yung pwede sa'yo. So the more loyal you are, the better. And the higher your credit limit is.
May exclusive discounts for SPA later na hindi makukuha ng ordinary?
Meron po minsan, lumalabas sila po siya because it's a site-wide platform based eh. So yung mga parts na yun, bigla na siya lumalabas. Kaya mo inaabangan actually namin sa pag-12 doon sa lupo kasi biglang may ganun po nangyayari. So, yun po.
Thank you.
May pahabol lang ako.
Sige po.
With the confidence, your experience, and all, may nag-offer na gusto sa'yo mag-artista or open ka ba?
Number 1 artista, wala. Number 2, open.
Wow, open.
Open naman. As long as kaya pa ng oras.
But James, are you married? Can you tell us a little bit about
So I'm single, not married. So, yeah. Okay. Sige. Busy po eh.
na product sa lahat?
Oh.
Pinakamahal.
Ganito na lang. Can you tell us like 5 items that you'll be selling today and tell us why do we have to have it?
Okay. Number one focus is 71. It's from almost 5,000 pesos sa mall. Right now sa live namin 2,000 plus na lang. It's like 50% discount. Second is the smart TVs. It's really affordable right now. Ang like SRP niyan umaabot ng 10 to 11,000. Sa live natin later 5,300 pesos free shipping. Tablets, we have all the best-selling tablets in the Philippines. Xiaomi, Huawei, Samsung, as low as 4,000 pesos. You can buy a brand new tablet sa live.
They are in the same price range?
maglalaro, depende sa brand. We also have like air fryers, grabe, sobrang ganda. From 1,500 pesos SRP, we can sell it later for 900 pesos. Like air fryer is like very good for gifts. Like super appreciated kasi ang laki niya, tignan.
And it's for a family.
Yeah, and for the last one siguro, we also have like groceries, no? Like in general, like 50 to 70% discount, buy two, take two deals. Like really crazy, sobrang mura po talaga sila. So from electronics to appliances to even shoes, actually pang-anim pala, sorry. First time kong benta ng shoes. Like, for as low as 1,000 pesos, meron ka ng brand new rubber shoes. So, then, depende na po yun sa kanila pag namili sila kung ano yung gusto nila design. But, basically, this is like an online mall na po. So, yun po yung nangyayari.
The one behind you, I'm very, very interested.
Oh!
That's the best-selling.
So this is actually a very trendy product right now. So this is called the Kodak Charmera. A lot of people are looking for this. You can treat this as a labubu camera because basically, if you buy this, you will get a surprise on which color or variant you will get. And there's also a secret, which is the translucent version. So this sells outside for 3,500. For my life, I think it will be 2,700 only per piece.
How did you get supply for this? Because that's
Very rare.
sold out in most cameras.
I really begged into the brand. Like, please. I think a lot of buyer will. So we only have 800 pieces of this. So I think it will really sell out.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good luck.
Okay. So by the way, for tonight, just for hashtag purposes, if people will be looking, they can use the hashtag 12 Kuya James.
12.
Hashtag 12 so that they can.
12 Kuya
Yeah,
James.
12 Kuya James. I think we're very big on that hashtag.
Pwede ba mag-advance shopping?
Actually, a lot of people are asking me, even my friends. James, can I buy from you direct?
Andito,
Unfortunately, all of these are samples.
Andyan lang mo.
Even I do not own this. I cannot buy all of this. So after the night, Brad will get all of this.
Photo naman.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Ay, para doon sa mga isang
Last question pala.
Sorry.
What would your advice be to a young man that's trying to emulate what you're currently doing?
Work really hard. Work harder than anyone. And everything will follow. Everything starts in the work itself. Once the work itself is being done correctly, with passion, and you know in yourself that you're giving more than 100%, I'm pretty sure everybody will achieve what they want. So, same goes in any industry out there.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, naman gusto mo